You are once again welcome to this channel. This is Golden Tech TV. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell icon so that whenever we post a video, you get notified. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna find a way, or I'm gonna teach you a way that you can get 1.5 gigabyte of data bundle every day. So make sure you follow whatever I'm about to teach you here so that you get the right results. So what you have to do right now is take your phone and this is specifically for Android. Yeah, Android. So you take your phone and then go to your Play Store. This is the app that we're gonna download for this app trick. This is the app that we're gonna download. So when you pick your phone and then go to Play Store, then you search for Internet PSR. Then you click on install. You click on install and then wait for it to be downloaded. Okay. Now it is downloaded. Okay. Okay, now it's done installing. So you click on open. Okay. When you click on open, you have to wait for some time, or you can click. Okay, you have to wait for some time to see this config update. This is the configuration update that you need to wait for. So when you see this, you click on apply. Then the app will refresh. Then you click on the later, or you join now. You can join their Telegram channel in a way to support them, or in a way to get updated whenever there is a new thing. So you can join. You can click on join to join their channel, their Telegram channel. So now this is it. So this is the interface of the app. This is how it looks like. This is the appearance. This is for Ghana, and as you can see, this is MTN 1.5 gigabytes. Mostly the server that I like to use most is server 6. Your server 6 happens to be a very fast one. So yeah, I normally use server 6. So this is how you're gonna do it. You click on start. When you click on start, you see something like this. Not all phones are gonna show this kind of alert, or gonna give you this thing. But when you see this, then you click on OK, and then you wait for it. I've been using it for the day. And remind you, when the 1.5 gigabytes is finished, and if you have any other MTN SIM card, you can switch it to the other MTN SIM card and then use the extra 1.5 gigabyte over there. So when you're done, when you click on that, then you wait to see that the VPN is being connected. Then you are going to see a key like this over there. Yeah, you're going to see a key like this here. This is it. Yeah. So now it's been connected. Now you have a time for this here. So you can add time. Anytime you add time, you're gonna watch some ads. That's the way they also get their money. You watch ads, and then you get 2 hours. 2 hours extra. Anytime you watch the video, you get 2 hours. So now we are done with the installation of the app. Now you can use it to, watch any video or do anything that you want. Now, when I off this thing here, you can see that when I off this thing, now it's off now. So now it's off now. You see, it's off. So I'll close it and then come to Facebook. It's gonna open, but as you can see, it's on basic mode because I don't have data bundle. When I click on this, I will not be able to watch a video because I don't have data. I'll not be able to watch the video. As you can see, buy data pack to watch video. Now let me go to the internet PSR. Later, then that's it. Okay. Now it's connected. So let me hit Facebook. Then you see the same video. Let me try watch it. Now you see use data. Let me see. Boom.
Just you don't want like
The video is playing. So thanks for watching this video. You see that subscribe button? Please hit on it and then click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any video that we post here.